Hello friends. In previous lecture, we have learned about the chapter number 3 of CC portion, that is of the interdepartmental and employee related correspondence. I myself Chirag Waghela welcomes you all in this video lecture, and in previous lecture we have get some introduction about the interdepartmental correspondence, its needs, meaning of notice, objective of notice, circular of meaning of circular, function of the circular, characteristics of a circular. Now, in today's video lecture, we are going to learn about the difference between the notice and circular, and through that we can get the difference between the notice as well as the circular. First of all, first one is the notice is addressed to either an individual or a group. See, notice generally is addressed to the individual or a group. See, notice can be generated or notice should be given to personally as well as in group. Circular is mostly addressed to entire group. See, circular is compulsorily addressed to a group. Through a notice legal viewpoint, it is clarified. See, notice have a legal point of view. Now, in circular, through circular, administrative and practical viewpoints are clarified. See, in circular, administrative as well as the practical view can be clarified. Notice is a two-way communication. See, notice is a two-way communication. That means whenever you get notice, at that time you have to reply for the same is necessary. Employees can give notice to the management and management to the employees. See, notice can be given by the management to employee as well as employee to management. Circular is a one-way communication. See, in circular, if you get any kind of circular at that time, it is not necessary that you reply for the same. So circular have a one way communication. It is sent to the subordinates employee from the management. See, management sends the circular to the subordinate employees, means the employees can get a circular or information through the management. Circular can be issued on matters for which a notice is served. See, in whatever matter you give a notice, but if you don't want to give notice, you can proceed for the circular also. Notice cannot be served for that matter for which circular is used. See, but if you want to give a circular at that time, instead of circular, you cannot give a notice for the same. It is not acceptable. Now, model letters. See, first one is the show cause notice. Means if any employee has not done his or her work properly at that time, management can give a show cause notice. That means they have to give a specific reason for the same, why they have done that particular mischief. Show cause notice. Harshil Patel, an employee of the Cyan Chemicals Limited, remained absent from the duty for 3 consecutive days without taking a permission of the officer. See, Harshil Patel is the employee of the Cyan Chemicals Limited, and he is remain absent. He was remain absent for 3 consecutive days without taking a permission of the superior authority. So, draft a show cause notice on behalf of Cyan Chemicals Limited. So we have to write a letter, show cause notice for the same. See friends, this is most important note that I want to give you, that in this chapter, only CC chapter number 3, you have to write after yours faithfully, you have to write a person's name, whether it is a letter written by a company or person. Because every person who works in a particular company is very well aware about the position and the person, about the who is the higher authority. So in CC chapter number 3, you have to compulsorily write a person's name after the yours faithfully. I repeat once again, so please kindly listen it very carefully and do the needful in this only CC chapter number 3. I repeat only CC chapter number 3. Except CC chapter number 3, you have to write yours faithfully after your that particular XYZ, where a letter writer is a company or institute. But in CC chapter number 3, whenever letter writer is company or institute, at that time you have to compulsorily write a person's name after yours faithfully. It is most necessary, not for you. So kindly listen it very carefully because it is most important part. Now the letter writer is Cyan Chemicals Limited. Phone number, email ID, address GIDC Phase 2, Dahej Taluko, Wagra, District, Bharuch. 13th August 2017 is the date. Now, Harshil Patel is the receiver of the letter. He works in a packing division. Now, again, important note that you have to write an address of that particular person's office address, not a residential address, because this type of notice as well as circular should be sent to the company's department, not at his or her resident. So we have to write a particular department's name as well as the company's address as a part of the receiver's address. Say for example, Sri Harshil Patel packing division means Harshil Patel is working in a packing division. Cyan Chemicals, Dahej Taluko Wagra, District Bharuch. Put full stop behind the pin code. Subject seeking clarification for remaining absent from the duty without taking permission. See, they want clarification for remaining absent from the duty without taking a permission. Sir is the salutation. He writes, you remains absent continuously for the 3 days from the 10th August 2017 to 12th August 2017 without taking permission of the officer of your department. See, here they send that, see, the letter's date is the 13th August. Now, Harshil Patel remain absent for the duration of 10th August 2017 to 12th August. 10, 11 and 12. These 3 days, Harshil Patel remain absent without taking a permission of his superior. Kindly take note that if the cause of your absence is not shown within 7 days, your absence will be treated as a violation of service rules and your salary for those days will be deducted for remaining absent from the duty without taking permission. See, here they noted that, kindly note that they instruct to the Harshil Patel that if within 7 days means the latest date is 13th August and within 7 days, that means before 20th August, Mr. Harshil Patel have to compulsorily give a clarification for the remaining absent for those 3 days, that is of 10th to 12th August. And they also mentioned that within 7 days, the clarification for the same is not submitted to the superior. At that time, company can consider it as a violation of service rules. And those 3 days, that is of the 10th, 11th and 12th August, these 3 days salary will be deducted from the entire salary package of the Harshil Patel. If this happens in future, it will be treated as violation of discipline and would result into a break of service and you shall have to lose the benefit of a permanent employee. See, they also mentioned that if this mistake is repeated again, at that time the discipline, the violation of discipline and the job rules and regulations, for that he will lose the benefit of the permanent employee. That means he will not be able to receive the provident fund, salary, etc. Now we will not write thanking you that you are remaining absent on 3 days thanking you for the same, and you have made a violation of rules and regulations of the company's job. So we have to not write to mention thanking you in these type of letters. Yours faithfully, Sayan Patel is the manager of HR. Clear? Now next one. Notice regarding voluntary resignation. Means a person wants to voluntarily resign from the job with the happiness. Shri Jagdish Bhavsar desired voluntary retirement from his company. See, Mr. Sayan Jagdish Bhavsar wants to resign from the company. Draft a letter regarding resignation notice. Means they write a letter that he will resign from the job. See, friends, while writing a resignation letter, at that time you have to give a specific duration. Before some specific duration, you have to send a notice that that you will resign from the job, and this will be considered as the notice period that you will resign from this job, and you have to give a specific duration for the same. Say for example, in corporate field, before 3 months you have to give a notice that after 3 months I will not continue in the job. Because in corporate field, in all of a sudden you wants to resign, and resign at that time, company is not able to find a particular person, suitable person for the same job. So company can find a particular or suitable person for that timing, that duration. They want a notice for the same, that before 3 months, 2 months, you have to apply for the resignation, that from this date we will not continue our job, because it is necessary and it is one of the part of your job. Jagdish Bhavsar is the writer. See friends, here mobile number is mentioned before the date, but you have to move it at the left hand side. If you have a textbook, at that time you have to compulsorily make a correction that in the same line of the person's name written, that Jagdish Bhai Bhavsar, in the same line you have to put a mobile number for the same. Jagdish Bhai Bhavsar, machine supervisor, Shyam Industries, Naroda, Ahmedabad. Letters date is the 5th June 2017. See friends, it is most important part of this type of letters. While you are writing a VRS letter, that voluntary retirement scheme letter, at that time date is the most important part. I repeat, while you are writing a resignation letter, the date is the most important part. The manager is the receiver. Shyam Industries, Naroda, Ahmedabad. Put full stop behind the pin code, both the places. It is not mentioned. Subject to sanction application for the voluntary retirement. Means the Jagdish Bhai Bhavsar wants to resign from the job. Sir is the salutation. The first paragraph. I have been performing my duty as a machine supervisor in your company for the last 10 years. See, the manager is not well aware about the everyone and everyone's situation, as well as the everyone's personality, as well as the name. So while you are writing this type of letter, in the first paragraph you have to give your introduction. And Jagdish Bhai have mentioned that he is performing his duty as a machine supervisor in the company of Shyam Industries for the last 10 years. I am highly satisfied for having spent important years of my career in your company. See, here he mentioned that he is glad that, and he is glad as well as the satisfied that he had spent an important years for his career in the company of Shyam Industries. I want to take voluntary retirement due to my family and personal reasons. See, you have to, in second paragraph, after giving your introduction, in second paragraph you have to mention the reason for the same. While you are why you are resigning from the job. Here Jagdish Bhai has mentioned that he want to take a voluntary retirement for the personal reason as well as the family reason. As per the condition of the service, it is necessary to inform 3 months prior to voluntary retirement. See, as I have explained earlier, see here the duration is mentioned by the person of letter. Means Jagdish Bhai Bhavsar has mentioned that before 3 months before he applied for the resignation. That is of, see, the date is the 5th June. 5th June to 5th July, first month, 5th August, second month, and 5th September is the last month. Means the 5th September 2017 is the last day of Jagdish Bhai Bhavsar in the company Shyam Industries. I repeat again, see, here you have to mention that 5th June 2017 is the letter's date, and after 3 months duration, that is of the 5th September, after 3 months, that is of the 5th September, means after 5th September, Jagdish Bhai Bhavsar will not appear in the Shyam Industries. Means after 5th September, Jagdish Bhai is not liable to come at the company. I request you to relieve me from my 3 months from the date of this letter. See, date of this letter means the 5th June 2017. From 5th June 2017, 3 months should be calculated, and the date after 3 months is of the 5th September 2017. After 5th September, Jagdish Bhai's last day in the company is the 5th September. Clear? I request you to issue an order to pay me an accumulated provident fund, gratuity, and other benefits due towards me. See, also Jagdish Bhai mentioned that he wants some provident fund, accumulated provident fund, gratuity, and other benefits for the same. And gratuity means if any kind of benefit has received by Shyam Industries due to the name of the Jagdish Bhai Bhavsar, and in the reward of for the same, the whatever amount should be paid is known as the gratuity. Thanking you is mentioned because you are applying for the voluntary retirement. So here we have to compulsorily mention the thanking you. Put comma behind it. Yours faithfully and Jagdish Bhai Bhavsar is the name of the person. Now, circular regarding the celebration of the national festivals. See, national festival means the 15th August, which is the Independence Day of India, and 26th January, which is the Republic Day of India. And these both days are celebrated as a national festivals in our country. So, for celebrating these 2 days as a national festival, circular for the same is sent to the company by the management. Active Cooperative Bank Limited is the letter writer of the company. Phone number is the mentioned. See, head office, Active Cooperative Banks Limited, head office writes this letter. 201 to 205 Ranjit Chambers, Station Road, Jamnagar. Put full stop behind the pin code. 5th August is the date for the letter. Now, in receiver's address, we have to mention a particular person's name. Instead of particular person's name, we have to mention the employees of all branches. That means this letter is applicable to all the employees of the company, all the employees of the company's all branches. See, so instead of writing this type of so much long address, it is concluded like that. Subject is mentioned that circular regarding the celebration of national festival, means you wants to celebrate a national festival, and you write the circular for the same. See, instead of writing sir here, the salutation friends is mentioned over here. See, mention that according to the recommendation made by the Ministry of Human Resource Development. See, recommendation of the Ministry of Human Resource Development. From the current year, every government and non-government institutions shall have to celebrate 15th August Independence Day and 26th January Republic Day as national festival with a view to strengthening the patriotic feelings. See, recommendation of Human Resource Development of the central government has mentioned that every government as well as non-government organization has to compulsorily celebrate the 15th August as a Independence Day and 26th January as a Republic Day for the strengthening the patriotic feelings, means the feelings which are in favor of the company and country and the country's benefit. So they have to compulsorily celebrate 15th August as an Independence Day as well as the 26th January as a Republic Day. And the recommendation of the Ministry of the Human Resource Development is apply for the same, and they have to compulsorily order that the every government as well as non-government institute has to celebrate this type of festival in their respective companies as well as department. It is informed to all employees to remain present as a part of duty. See, they have mentioned that the compulsorily every employee has to remain present while during the celebration of this type of festival. See, here one more line can be added that if any person, and that is line is that if any employee remain unpresent at that time, remain absent at that time, their salary and the leave can be considered as a violation of the rules. Yours sincerely, Dhawan Shah is the person who is the administrative manager of the particular bank. Now, copy 2. It is necessary while you are writing circular letter, you have to compulsorily mention copy 2. Means while you are writing this type of circular letter at this time, the first copy as well as the one copy should be sent to the respective department. It is necessary part of writing a circular letter. Means, see, here original copy means the OC copy is kept with the head office who writes this type of letters, and copy to all the branches to the bank. All branches of bank means the company's head office write this type of letter, and the copy for the same is given to all the branches of the company, company or bank. So here they have mentioned that the copy to the all branches of the bank. Now, circular recommending to begin a campaign to save water, electricity, a national wealth. See, now the circular is written that the you have to save water as well as the electricity. Now, writer of this circular letter is the Gujarat Higher Secondary Education Board. Here you can mention the phone number also. Sector 12, put comma behind it. It is necessary. It is not mentioned. Gandhinagar, put full stop behind the pin code. Now the date of the circular is the 15th September 2017. Receiver of the this circular is the two principals and teachers of all schools. Means in the Gujarat state, whatever and how many schools, how much schools are there, all schools have sent this circular letter to save water as well as the electricity. Subject is written here that the circular regarding the saving of water and electricity means the board wants that the save water as well as electricity. Now written that here salutation is not necessary. To face the probable scarcity of water and electricity in Gujarat, Gujarat government has sent a circular number 4567/16 to all government, non-government and semi-governmental organization to take the following steps to save water and electricity. See, here board has mentioned that to face the problem of the scarcity of water as well as the electricity, say in the Gujarat. So that Gujarat government has sent a circular number 4567/16 means in the writing of the circular number at that time you have to mention any four digit of the number oblique. Here 16 is mentioned. 16 is mentioned, that is of the, see here the letters date and year is the 2017. So while writing the circular number you can mention the previous year of the letters dates the current year. So here the letters date, here the year is mentioned that 2017. So here in circular number 4567 4 digit oblique 16 and 16 is the 2016, the year of the previous. Means the circular number has given to all the government, semi-government as well as the non-government departments, and they have to compulsorily follow this type of following steps for the save water and electricity. First one is the avoid the use of air conditioner except where they are highly needed. See, government has suggested that the compulsorily you have to restrict the use of air conditioner where it is not needed. See, in science laboratory, in the some computer department, computer laboratory, at that type of places, air conditioner is needed. But in the office, in the classroom, it is not necessary to use the air conditioner. Switch off electricity from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. means at the night 8 a.m. to up to morning 6 o'clock you have to compulsorily switch off the electricity, means you have to switch off the power supply for the same. Switch off lights and fans in all the classroom as soon as classes are over. Means while you are going for the recess as well as the classes are over, at that time you have to compulsorily switch off the lights as well as fans. Avoid the wastage of water. Check all the taps and get them repaired if required. See, avoid the wastage of water. You have to check your taps used in the school, and if required you have to repair it. Get cooperation from the students in the campaign for the sorry friends. See, get cooperation from the students in the campaign for the preventing the wastage of national assets. See, here the department has suggested that the from the cooperation of the students is most necessary part, and they have to get cooperation and provide guidance for the same, and it is necessary for the this type of campaign. Cooperation of all the employees group is recommended, means the recommendation of the employees group is also needed. The implication of circular will be effective from the date of its receipt. See, here department also mentioned that whenever you get this circular letter, you have to apply these rules from the same date. Except the same date, it is not acceptable and it is not liable for this type of campaign. Yours faithfully, A.J. Patel, Secretary, and copy sent to all the higher secondary schools of the Gujarat state. Means they want to send a circular letter to all the government as well as the higher secondary schools of the Gujarat state. So friends, I request you all to watch it very carefully. Thank you. Thanking you.